Hi, let me share some highlights here on our new listing at 6417 East Adobe. First of all, it has great mountain views that are not shown in the video, unfortunately, but the street it's on Adobe looks right toward the Superstition Mountains, so you'll enjoy some great views there. Additionally, it's all easy care desert landscape, front and back, lots of space between you and the neighbors. And though you can't see it past the car, there is a good RV space. Nice porch out front, and home is really in very good condition. There's wood laminate floors throughout most of the house with the wide baseboards. Paint's in great shape. It's just a real open, great room kind of a floor plan. Plus, there's an Arizona room off the back. The cabinets in the kitchen and the bath were updated 15-20 years ago. Some stainless appliances, basically all stainless appliances except for the range oven. Everything else is all stainless. Nice sized bedrooms. One of the bedrooms in particular, super sized room with plenty of wall space and window space. Here's that Arizona room, super cute, and additional living space for your home. There's a covered patio as well, and then there's also a utility room that's not shown here with a shower in it and the utility sink. Just a great little house. If you have questions on this or would like to see it, let me know. You can reach me easiest on my cell at 602-430-5755. Bye-bye for now.